I probably look so crazy. I'm probably picking the worst time to come back and start a vlog, but hi, I am back. Please don't mind my appearance. This is actually going to be a very realistic study vlog. But I also have a ton of stuff planned this weekend, so I'm actually excited to share it with you. So, Friday, I have my job's little Christmas party gift exchange. Saturday, I have a Christmas party at church, and then I'm also getting new tattoos Saturday afternoon. And then Sunday, I'm going to New York to do all of the fall and Christmas things. I'm specifically excited about Canal Street. What you guys have missed in the past couple of months is a severe shopping addiction and student burnout. I am currently in the process of studying genetics. I'm almost done with the semester, and we have like 3 weeks left. But well, technically 2 weeks if we count Thanksgiving break. 2 weeks left, and then the last week is finals. So 3 weeks left in the semester. And yeah, I'm here. So let's just get into it, shall we? I know a bunch of y'all are going to ask me where my glasses are from. These are blue light glasses from Firmoo. I would like to thank them for partnering with me on this video. I will have these linked below. You guys can shop the link in the description. They are having a huge sale right now for Black Friday, and it extends a little bit into December as well. So I would go ahead and hop on them. You can obviously add your prescription if you do have a prescription. I don't. I just like the blue light glasses effect. As you can see in the reflection there, it blocks out blue light, helps with the headaches. I think you guys are going to like these. This is actually my second pair for them, and I haven't taken these off since I've gotten them. They are the exact shape and style that I wanted. The boxy frames and the blue color is like the perfect in between of like navy and indigo. I don't know. It just fits me so well. So yeah, I will have that link down below, and hopefully you guys get yourself something good. Just wanted to give you guys another look at these glasses. Like, when I tell you, they are so good. The quality is amazing. I've dropped these a ton of times, and they have not broken or anything like that. They were so nice to actually also send me a pair of sunglasses. So I'm going to try these on for you. You can also add your prescription to the sunglasses. I just love the cat eye shape of these. It kind of gives off aviator, kind of not. I cannot wait to start wearing these. I've been storing these on my desk, patiently waiting to share them with you guys. But like, I like that you can still see my eyebrows, but it still fully covers the eye, and they're very opaque as well, but it's not like the whole room is blacked out. So definitely shop below. You can also add your prescription to the sunglasses and obviously the regular glasses. They have so many pairs and options to choose from. You will not be disappointed. Hey guys, I'm back for another night of studying. I actually have to finish this paper. It's due tomorrow. Me and my partner actually wrote like a full 10-page paper, 15-page paper together, literally, which is really nice. And I thought we would end up needing more group members to do this, but it's actually so much easier only working with one other person. And I'm trying to get it all done within like an hour and a half. I need to be in bed by 11:30 because I have to be up for work early tomorrow. Guys, my glasses literally match my freaking hoodie. I think that's hilarious. Y'all, we finished our paper. It is a full, I hope you guys can see that, 13 pages. Like, and it's single spaced. So imagine if this was double spaced. This would probably be like a 20-page paper right here. But I am so proud of us. Now I have to take a quiz. Good morning. Hi. I'm back. I completely forgot to bring my camera with me yesterday to vlog my tattoos, which I am now yadded everywhere. But we're going to New York today, and I'm dressed, and I'll probably try and get a clip in New York of my full outfit. It's giving New York, okay? I'm excited. I'm waiting on my friends, but I'm literally gonna go sit in my car because I'm ready to go, and I'm tired of sitting in my house. So let's go. Made it to Canal Street. We're in New York.
You said Zell?
Love the bag. Put them on. Let me see them on. Very cute. Very, very demure. Very cutesy. Hi guys.
How you do what?
Yo, you ever see that thing where it be like me for it? I would be here all of them.
This is ridiculous.
Oh yeah, they didn't like the tree.
But this is not Rockefeller. I can see it from up here.
Yeah, me too.
Look at the cheese pull. I ain't know. Okay. Madison, you're not ready.
I don't need a lot.
Oh, this shit Lincoln. Ready? Okay. It's very mid. Oh, it's not bad. Yeah, it's regular ass fuck. Yeah.
I want another bite though.
It's very regular.
No.
Sorry.
French toast bites.
It is cold. If it was hot, it would have been better.
Yeah.